His voice was like the sound of many waters, and the stars shone with His glory in the night. His voice cut through the hidden wilderness, truth flowing through the river's winding course. The sound of many waters, Yahweh, wash over me. Let it fill the line and purify me deep within. Let me flow in the direction of your plan for me, till what flows from me is an echo of you. I sought you at that river, Yahweh, in the darkness, with moonlight on the water and stillness soft and deep. I close my eyes and breathe you in. I sigh and listen closely as you whisper tenderly. Wash over me, let it fill the line and purify me deep within. Let me flow in the direction of your plan for me, till what flows from me is an echo of you. Carrying doubt and fear away, trusting in His promises comes easier now. Through surrender, yielding to the river's flow. What you whispered in the silence, let it flow through me in light. Make my life a living echo, flowing from your heart to mine. Let your river always lead and reach the wilderness tonight. Through me, let the sound of many waters, Yahweh, wash over me. Let it fill the line and purify me deep within. Let me flow in the direction of your plan for me, till what flows from me is an echo of you. An echo of you, Yahweh. An echo of you. Let what flows from me be an echo of you.